Alright, so we got a new nettspend preset. It's basically to get the voice of how he sounds in his new album. So, I got the song right here I did today. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the ad-libs first. I just use Hypefox for the ad-libs. Alright, so that's the ad-libs. Now I'm gonna show y'all just the vocals on what they sound like. 500 for the fit, yeah. I done fucked it up. We gon' fuck shit up. We in that function, yeah. We riding in that track hot, this ain't no Honda. Caught that nigga beat his ass like my name was Rhonda. Alright, so that's basically all that. I'm gonna show y'all the... Fuck. I'm gonna show y'all the whole song now. It's really my year, I'ma pop off. I got too many bands like I'm Rick Ross. She gon' fuck with me, she done fell off. I got all his eyes, call me Jack Frost. Yeah, for the fit, yeah. I done fucked it up. We gon' fuck shit up. We in the function, yeah. We riding in that track hot, this ain't no Honda. Caught that nigga beat his ass like my name was Rhonda. And he crying in the whip, he gon' call his mama. And we finna take his bitch, he ain't finna find her. Nah, he ain't finna find her. And we really doing shit, I'ma flick my wrist, yeah. Alright, so that's basically it. I'm gonna put the presets in the comments. So let me know when y'all want me to drop the song, or if I should drop it, or put it on the new album. Just let me know. And put in the comments what rapper I should make a preset on. Alright, peace.